So welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how you can remove your background easily without suffering. So first of all, you open your browser and search for BGWatch Remover. So it will load up and you select the first site that will be there. You click on it. And you click on upload image here. Now you select the image what you want to remove the background. So I'll be just choosing an image here for the background. Often. So now it will analyze the image and what remove the background. And you can download it for free. And as you can see, you just successfully remove the background. Follow forward to more video like this.